If you're seeing a load error in Xero, like a spinning circle that never ends, a blank white screen, or even a page not found message, don't worry. In most cases, this issue isn't your account and it's not your data. It's usually a conflict between Xero's website code and your browser's stored memory, also known as cache. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to fix the Xero load error quickly and safely. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important final check. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, we're going to perform what's called a hard refresh. This forces your browser to reload the page from scratch instead of using stored files. Stay on the Xero page that is failing to load. If you're using Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and F5 on your keyboard at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R together. This tells your browser to completely reload the page and pull fresh files directly from Xero servers. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue immediately. If the page loads properly after this, you're good to go. If not, move on to the next step. Next, we're going to clear what I like to call Xero crumbs, which is just the stored site data specifically related to Xero.com. In your browser, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and look for Cookies and Site Data. Choose the option to manage on-device site data. In the search bar, type Xero.com. You'll see stored cookies and local storage entries related to Xero. Click the trash or bin icon next to every entry for Xero.com to remove them. This does not delete your Xero account or your financial data. It only removes locally stored browser data that may be corrupted. Once you've deleted those entries, close the browser completely, reopen it, and log back into Xero. This resolves the majority of persistent load errors. If the problem continues, the next thing to check is your browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy-focused tools. Click the extensions icon in the top right corner of your browser. It usually looks like a puzzle piece. Look for extensions such as uBlock Origin, AdBlock, privacy blockers, or script blockers. These tools sometimes interfere with Xero scripts, which can cause the page to fail loading properly. Disable these extensions specifically for the Xero domain or temporarily toggle them off completely. After disabling them, refresh the Xero page again and see if it loads correctly. Now for the final and very important step, verify Xero's regional system status. Open a new tab and go to status.xero.com. This page shows whether Xero's core systems are operating normally. Look for the Xero Core App Status indicator. If it's green, the system is operational and the issue is likely on your browser side. If it's yellow or red, that means Xero is experiencing issues on their end. In that case, there's nothing wrong with your setup, and you'll simply need to wait for Xero's engineers to resolve the problem. And that's it. By performing a hard refresh, clearing Xero site data, disabling conflicting extensions, and checking the official system status page, you can fix almost every Xero load error in just a few minutes. If this video helped you solve the problem, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.